Hey everyone, this is Rohit Rana. You're watching Leisure Martini, and today I'm going to talk about some credit card myths that might get you into trouble if you also believe them. Because your credit card may be costing you a lot more money than saving it, as you might have expected. Maybe you have received incomplete or conflicting information. Credit cards are not only a wonderful asset for paying expenses, but they're also great for building credit. Unfortunately, they're often misused and can damage your credit score. The misuse is frequently the results of myths that can end up costing you a lot of extra money. Myth number one: there is nothing wrong with carrying some balance from month to month. No. Carrying a balance on your credit card from month to month is probably the biggest mistake you are guilty of with your credit card, and it's one of the biggest myths that it is okay to do so. More than 22% of Americans take a balance thinking it will improve their credit score. The truth is that it hurts your credit score by giving a higher utilization rate, negatively affecting your score. Carrying a balance also costs you more significant interest charges. Myth number two: let me make the minimum payment and it will take care of everything else. Minimum payments are not there to help your credit score. Paying only the minimum makes you fall into debt at a higher rate, adding months, if not years, to the time it takes you to pay off your debt. Myth number three: it's alright to miss a payment every once in a while. No, it's not. Missed payments, or the payments that are made 30 days late, can seriously jeopardize your credit score. In fact, a single payment that is 30 days late can cause your credit score to drop anywhere from 17 to 83 points. And for a payment missed by more than 90 days can cause a 27 to 133 point drop in a credit score. Myth number four: don't worry about reviewing your billing statement. They are sure to be accurate. Well, they are not. All billing statements must be reviewed as they are received. This will ensure that all of the information contained in that statement is accurate, so action can be taken against fraudsters and errors are corrected. Myth number five: don't worry about the fees, it's perfectly manageable. Every cardholder signs an agreement with their bank that they are aware of the applicable fees on their accounts. And while these agreements are probably not at the top of anyone's reading list, it is important that every cardholder understands these charges specifics. Be sure to pass through all of the jargon to make sure that you know what terms to look for and what they mean. And while the meaning of some terms might be confusing, there are others such as 0% APR that can be very beneficial to cardholders. Myth number six: taking out cash advances is perfectly okay. And it is okay to some extent. Probably one of the most dangerous things any cardholder can do is to take out cash advances on their credit cards and not think too much into it. Unknown to many cardholders, interest begins to accrue, begins to collect, begins to build up as soon as the advance is taken out. There is no grace period as there is with other purchases, with the regular purchases. Making matters worse, when a cardholder takes a cash advance out, this usually makes it that much more challenging to meet next month's obligations, and the next month's, and the next months further on. This is one path nobody wants to go down. It's not a way to get out of trouble. Instead, taking advance cash out is a financial slavery. In conclusion, credit cards can be an excellent method of managing money, but it is also a slippery slope. Enjoy them, but be careful. By dispelling the myths I talked about, you have the chance to use your credit wisely and usefully instead of suffering negative consequences. Subscribe to Leisure Martini for your daily dose of lifestyle, movies, fashion, career, health and wellness, and everything else under the sun. Don't forget to hit the bell icon.